welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a flexirodset on my natural hair. Y'all, I haven't done a flexirodset in like years, definitely before I cut my hair. I haven't done my flexirodset in years. My flexirodset used to be busting, though. The definition used to be popping, like, I don't know, but I haven't done a flexirodset in so long. But I'm super nervous on trying it today. I just don't want to give you like Shirley Temple, old lady, shaggy. Like, I'm not trying to get none of that. So hopefully they just turn out cute today. Do y'all not see the growth? Like, my hair's blow dry right now, but do y'all see the growth here? Like, please, someone take a picture of me and then like compare it in like a couple months. Like, I'm getting one. Like, let me show y'all 360. Like, this probably look a mess in the back. But y'all can see the growth in my hair. Like, my hair is growing. Y'all need my ends clipped, so I don't know if I should do it myself or have someone else do it. But if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you be notified with every video I post. And make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. It will be in the description box below. If y'all haven't already, check out my Instagram. I'm going to be doing like hair TikToks now and just, you know, trying different things. Like, so make sure you go follow my TikTok on Makiyabanks. So go follow your girl. But anyways, let's get started with this video. Okay, so the materials we will be using today, of course, your Flexi rods. These are 12. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do with 12. My friend Marissa had borrowed some more Flexi rods, so I'm just waiting for her to bring those back. But I'm gonna see what I can work with these two that my sister had. We're gonna try the mousse today. And then I got some oil I'm gonna be using, so. And also you're gonna need some clips, and then I have a pick, but that's for tomorrow, next day. But yeah, I know I have to follow the trend. I got the, you know, the new natural hair brush. Oh shit. I like it, I really do. I think it, you know, take a couple times, you know, get it tangled, just a little time, but when it get there, it'd be a nice slip. So I recommend these. I like these. I got this in pink and a light blue off Amazon. I'll link it down below. The new natural hair brush. Ooh. The color scheme that's going on here is very childish. All right, so my hair is already kind of parted a little bit. It's already parted in 4 sections. So that's what I've been working on when I blow dried it. So yeah, we're gonna try this on blow dried hair. We'll put all this up in Flexi rods because I want it, like, we're gonna do the sections. I love these clips better than the other ones that they be selling at the beauty supply store. Like, the alligator clips definitely bust better, definitely. So I'm debating if I should do big parts, little parts. Like, I'm not sure. Like, I don't know how big I want to go. I think I'm gonna just try this much and just see. Oh yeah, clips come in handy. I ain't gotta use the little scrunchies anymore. So now I'm just finger combing my hair, making sure I ain't got no tangles or anything. If you want to really go in depth, you can use this. But my hair's blow dry, so I don't really need like a brush for it, but you know, your preference. Okay, y'all, I just added on something. I'm probably gonna use this instead of the mousse. I don't know. I just really thought about it. Like, I really don't want to put that in my hair because it got alcohol in it. So sorry, y'all, product change. We're gonna do this instead. Just a little bit though. Just want to get that smoothed. I really want my ends smoothed, like real smooth. You see? Okay. We'll just roll that up. And then roll that up. Yeah, I am probably gonna do bigger sections, not gonna lie. Period. So look, y'all. Just scrunch it up, cause I'm about to have a terrible sleep. Just brushing out the kinks, everything. This is a thicker piece, so I'm not gonna scrunch out this whole piece. Just gonna part that in half. Then set this up. I'm gonna take some of this gel so everything is smooth out. Then I'm gonna take some of this curling. Bow, easy. I'm about to speed this up and show y'all the progress of it. So make sure y'all keep on watching. just kind of did like a little speed through or whatever, or like a voiceover, something like that, because I was in a rush. We had me and my family had somewhere to go, so I didn't feel like talking, and I had a chance on messing up work. I just didn't. So I just showed y'all the process of me taking it down and separating all that stuff. But yeah, this how it looks, kind of like, it's later in the day, so it probably don't look like fresh, but I like it like this. Like, it looks, I don't know, so cute. But yeah, I don't think this is 100% perfect, but you know, we're gonna work our way to find out what products works best and stuff like that. So just letting y'all know. So, but yeah, I definitely want y'all to, you know, try my products, what I use or whatever, see what it works, or just see what works for you. So, but yeah, but comment down below, tell me what you guys think. I miss the flexirodset. Like, I'm giving Shirley Temple. I'm gonna count how many rods I use. So I roughly use about like 18 rods. So y'all be wanting to know the exact count of everything. But y'all kept asking me on my locks video how many locks I use. Y'all, to be honest, I did not count, and it's too late to count. So it's like I haven't been answering those type of questions, but pretty much I've been answering everybody's questions. But y'all asked me how many whatchamacallits I done. I don't know. Like, I really don't. I didn't think that matters, but I guess I do. So next time I start counting stuff and letting y'all know. But yeah, I use roughly around 18 rods, so I'm just letting y'all know. So please don't ask. And what I use to take down, I use the Jamaican black castor oil, and then I kind of ran out, so I finished off with the virgin coconut oil I had. So I just finished off with this. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you can be notified with every video I post. Also, make sure you go follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and now TikTok. So that will be all 4 of them will be in the description box below. That's it, guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.